And we back. And struggling. Okay. So it's hitting the power steering rack, right? Is there a way we can try over it?
I'm trying to get the header out first.
Try the other side.
I think we have to go higher to get the header. But in order to go higher,
What?
okay, let me try to do it. Yeah, we just higher for that. Give me a pry bar somewhere. Oh, here it is. Let's try to get the steering. That is going to hold this up. Okay, what about...
Take a look under there.
What about now? Can we get these bolts from the tranny thing? This carriage. Under our bed now.
So taking that off. Is that what's being hit by the steering rack?
Yeah,
If we
it's on
can
the
take
other
this
side.
off. We can take this off.
Might be able to wedge it, pop it over the rack that's left of it.
Yeah.
What size are those?
They're just big.
13s?
They're all sorts of sizes. Big, bigger.
Don't do it then. Just get the one with the same size. Because that could be something else.
Those are starter bolts. What it look like?
Just do...
Yeah, those. That's the starter, right?
It's probably the next size smaller.
Yeah, that's the starter. So
Oh, starter.
yeah, that has to come off. If that's the case.
That one was, but not that one. That one was weird.
For once.
Did you say for once?
Right around this piece.
Bent handle. Deal.
Yeah, it worked perfect.
That's not Harbor Freight though.
We should have one.
They don't. I wish they would make one.
So someone needs to go down and get the bottom ones.
Someone's at the bottom.
I'm sure they are. Should miss something.
Pry enough to break it? Pry it off enough to break it?
This one I need to, because I think this is the started. I think the started bolts off. I think.
Really?
Alright.
Why can't we pull this out again?
We need to get this out the way. This whole thing. Get that out the way.
Is that one never got off?
No, it's just this one.
So what size is underneath? All 17?
Bent handle.
See how far I can extend it. Reach in there.
Ow. Spin it out.
No.
Stuck in there.
Yeah.
Have more stuff to add. At this point, I think.
Yeah.
Whatever you need.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. With a stud, that's the drive shaft. That is the drive shaft. And I got one of the bolts at the bottom loose, but the whole thing is spinning because the
What
bolt,
size was that?
19. Let's pause for this commercial break. We did it! Engines out. There it is right there. We did it. We got it out. We got it out. Oh, we
You
struggled.
said.
I said, what should we do?
No, I heard you say.
Look, look, they
argue.
arguing.
Yeah, I was
arguing.
asking you down there. So
Okay.
like, if it's impossible.
I don't know what's going on.
Or can we still move? That was all.
We did it. So, it was a struggle. We got it out. There's a lot going on, but we did it. So, again, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you don't miss another video. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.